Hi, I'm Dr. Mitch Gaynor. One of the key things I talk about in my book, The Gene Therapy Plan, is obesity. Obesity has become an epidemic in this country, largely because of consumption of processed foods, or what I like to call food-like substances. These are very difficult to digest, and they promote not only inflammation, but they promote something called abnormal angiogenesis. Angiogenesis refers to the excessive growth of new blood vessels around cancer cells as well as fat cells. So many of the nutrients that I'm going to be talking about for obesity also are quite beneficial in cancer prevention. On a genetic level, you can control this, and that can help you better control your weight and your hunger and your insulin sensitivity. You've all heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but also an apple a day can help you keep obesity away. One of the most important things about apples are their very high quercetin content. Apples also are loaded with nutrients called quercetin and catechins. These are very important nutrients in helping to prevent abnormal angiogenesis around fat cells. Fruits like apples are loaded with types of fiber that promote a healthy gut. You can cook with them. You can also add them to your favorite juice or smoothie. So an apple a day is absolutely great to add to desserts. It's a great snack, and it's loaded with nutrients that inhibit obesity, are anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory. Shiitake mushroom is one of the tastiest mushrooms there is. It also has a number of what are called prebiotic nutrients. These are good nutrients for the good bacteria in your gut. The more of those you have, the less inflammation and the less pro-angiogenic growth factors you'll have as well. Shiitake can be eaten as a separate food. It can also be added to various meat, rice, and vegetable dishes. The beta-glucan fraction of shiitake mushroom is known as lenthanin. Lenthanin has been shown to work at an epigenetic level, or literally at the level of gene expression. Shiitake mushroom also contains nutrients that improve insulin sensitivity. That avoids the drop in blood sugar that many people get after they eat a meal, leaving them feeling hungry about 2 hours after they eat. So if you're concerned about your weight, make shiitake a part of your diet. Acai berry is one of many berries that are essential if you're concerned about weight management, because acai is loaded with a nutrient called resveratrol. Resveratrol is very important in blocking abnormal growth of blood vessels around new fat cells. So acai berries can be bought either in the berry form or in powdered form. It's a great snack. It can be added to water. It can be added to your favorite smoothie, juice, or yogurt. So if you're concerned about obesity and maintaining an ideal body weight, make acai berry part of your snack or breakfast every day. Coffee and tea are very important for any weight management regimen. They're very rich in chromium and magnesium. These are very important in enhancing insulin sensitivity. So it makes the body use insulin and burn carbs more efficiently. You can have either green tea, which is the tea leaf available in loose leaf or in tea bags, or black tea, which is slightly fermented. Dunking the tea bag in your hot water for about a minute is much better than just letting it sit there. I also recommend to my patients that they do not put milk in their tea. It's been found that milk can precipitate out many of the beneficial chemicals found in tea. Coffee contains caffeic acid and other polyphenols that have been found to have anti-obesity and anti-cancer effects. Either you can do whole coffee beans, instant coffee, or roast coffee. So coffee and tea should be part of any weight management regimen. Raw cacao beans and nibs are an excellent snack if you're concerned about your weight. This is what chocolate comes from, but this is unsweetened, and there are none of the hydrogenated oils associated with processed chocolate. Raw cacao beans are loaded with anti-angiogenic phenols and polyphenols. They're also highly nutritious. These are loaded with a type of fiber that support healthy gut bacteria. So this is one of the best snacks you could have if you're concerned about maintaining an ideal body weight and not building up excessive fat stores. They are highly tasty, very filling, and are loaded with nutrients to help you maintain an ideal body weight. The nibs can actually also be added to smoothies or juices as well. So for any anti-obesity weight management regimen, make cocoa nibs and cacao nuts part of your daily snacks. In my book, I repeatedly say it's never too late to bring back the balance. And olive oil is an excellent way of adding balance every day to your diet. Olive oil helps prevent obesity by preventing the growth of new blood vessels around cancer cells, and it decreases inflammation. It's excellent to consume every day, but remember, have it over something raw or something that's already been cooked. The people that cook with olive oil probably don't realize that it denatures at a very low heat. The best cooking oils are either grapeseed oil or coconut oil or even butter, because they have higher smoke points. It also has a nutrient that is quite unique, and that's called squalene. It's an omega-2 fatty acid that promotes the death of both cancer cells and fat cells. I recommend you buy cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil to avoid any chemical contamination, especially if you're concerned about maintaining an ideal body weight and avoiding obesity.